Hi children, today we will study Roman numerals. Children, look at the clock on the screen. As you can see that there are the different numbers on the clock. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. These are called Roman numbers. So the numbers they have written in a Roman numbers. So Roman numerals are a special kind of numerical notation that were earlier used by Romans. Now, they are formed with 7 symbols. Roman numbers are formed with 7 symbols. And for it, we use capital letter to represent Roman numbers. And the 7 symbols are, in a Roman number, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols in a Roman number. And we have represented with a capital letter. Now we have to learn how we will write Roman number into Hindu-Arabic system. Here the I is representing 1 in a Hindu-Arabic system, and B is representing 5, X is representing 10, L is representing 50, C is representing 100, D is representing 500, M is representing 1000. These are the standard symbols, and its value is given in front of Roman numbers, and it is called Hindu-Arabic system. Now let's learn the Roman numbers from 1 to 39. Roman numerals up to 39 are formed by using the 3 symbols. That is I, V, X. Here the I is representing 1, V is representing 5, and X is representing 10. You have to learn the symbols and its numbers also. Let's do how the Roman number works and what is the conversion of a Roman number into Hindu-Arabic system and Hindu-Arabic system into Roman numerals. So there are some rules to do Roman numbers into a Hindu-Arabic system and a vice versa. As we will count the numbers, we will see that the counting starts from 0. And there should be a Roman number for a 0. But in a Roman numeral system, there is no symbol for 0 in the system, so there are no place value. Second rule is, if a Roman number is repeated continuously, its value can be found by addition method. It means that the number are if the symbols are repeating continuously, then we have to add the symbols and we have to get the value. So for this, we have to remember one thing only. I, X, C, and M can be repeated. I is representing 1, X is representing 10, C is representing 100, and M is representing 1000. It means that one's numbers can be repeated. Right? I, X, C, M can be repeated out of 7 symbols. Let's see an example. Here, I is an I repeated 2 times. So what you have to do in this one? So if the symbols are repeating, then we have to find its value. We have to find its value by adding the symbols into numbers. Firstly, we have to convert the symbol into number, and first I is representing 1, and the next is also representing 1. Add it together, get the value, and it is called 2. So 2 I's is representing 2. Next, 2x is continuously repeating. So first you have to write the symbol for x. Numbers is, for the x is 10, and for the next x is also 10, and it's keep on repeating. So we have to find its value by adding all the numbers, 2 numbers. That is 10 plus 10 is 20. Next is 3x are repeating. So we have to add the value of x, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 3 times, and then it would be 30. So the 3x are representing 13 in Hindu-Arabic system, 2x if are repeating, then it is showing 20, and if 2 i's are repeating, then it is 2. Now the third rule is the Roman numerals B, L, D should be written only once and cannot be repeated. And out of symbols, you can see that out of 7 symbols, there were I, X, C and M can be repeated, but these 3 symbols B, L, D cannot be repeated. Let's see an example. If it is been repeating, then what happens? So I have taken the example that the V is repeating 2 times. So firstly, we have to convert the Roman into number 5 plus 5, and it is equals to 10. We have got the value of double B is equals to 10. But it is a wrong way to do, because in a Roman numbers, we have a standard symbol and its value. And standard symbol is X and its value is 10. So we will write the number 10 in Roman number in this way. Only 1x for 10. Okay, that's why B and D cannot be repeated. This you have to keep it in your mind. Next rule is no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. For example, if you will write 4 in a Roman number, then we have written the 4 in 4 i's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have written i's 4 times. But the property is saying that no numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. So this is the wrong way to write the number 4 in a Roman system.